Salt.
Everyone tells you that salt increases your blood pressure, right? Well, how would you explain this? Whenever someone goes to the hospital for an extended stay or operation, what is the first thing that they do? They look for a vein and hook up an intravenous saline drip. You know, those bags of fluid that you see everyone attached to in the hospital. Why do they do this? Well, they do it to make sure everyone who is in a hospital is kept in good health and properly hydrated. After all, the hospitals don't want to be dealing with all those nasty malpractice lawyers. Now, this practice is so common that it's considered to be a standard procedure in hospitals. Now, the average saline drip a person receives is about 3 of those 1-liter bags per day. Since saline contains about 9 grams of salt per liter, all those people attached to the saline drips in the hospital receive 27 grams of salt per day just from the drip. Of course, people are also fed in the hospital. So on top of the 27 grams of salt they get from the drip, they get at least another 6 grams of salt in their food. Whoa! That comes to 33 grams of salt per day. That's 5.5 times the amount of salt that's recommended in the dietary guidelines, and about 8 times the amount of salt recommended for more than 50% of the population. That comes to about 71-ounce bags of potato chips per day. Now, if you believe that salt can give you high blood pressure, then you would think that getting somewhere between 5 and 8 times the recommended amount of salt would be enough to make you sick. What a bonanza that would be for all those malpractice lawyers. But wait, nurses come and check your temperature and blood pressure every 4 to 6 hours. And what do they find? Your blood pressure is perfectly normal. How is that possible? Normal blood pressure at 5.5 times the recommended amount of salt intake? It's because Mother Nature and millions of years of evolution designed your body to handle a tremendous amount of salt without any ill effects whatsoever. You quickly get rid of any salt that you don't need. In fact, the problems start when you don't get enough salt. So, if anybody ever tells you that you'll get high blood pressure from consuming a lot of salt, give them a big and let them know about the saline drip. To keep yourself healthy, eat a balanced diet with lots of salads and vegetables, get a lot of exercise, and don't forget to shake it up.
Salt.